Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Epson L210 printer driver. So guys, enter the model number and with driver in the Google search box, and after that you can see the first URL website epson.co.in. This is a official website, so you can download a driver. After that, click on it. Scroll down, select the operating system. If you are using Windows 7 8, so select different. Otherwise you can see if you're using Windows 10, so that's mean you have selected Windows 10. Okay, we can say this is software and this is a driver and this is a printer driver. Extract this, you can see the Windows 10 and then click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and then click to download. So then driver is completed. Just single click to open. 210, you can see L210, and then click to yes. After that, click OK. Select the languages, agree, then wait few seconds. Driver is installing. After that, you can see connect to USB with your printer and it will detect and install. Okay, so very simple. You just connect the printer to your system, laptop or desktop, to your printer and turn on your printer. After that, you can see next to install it. Thank you. Then restart and then check if you are facing some issues, so will comment me, I will support you.